Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and cutting so the work flows. Measure the wall and add 5 cm overlap per edge, then transfer pattern repeats to the roll. Once cut, label top/bottom and number panels in order. This prevents mismatches later. Make sure the room is stable at 15-20 degrees C and low humidity so adhesive behaves predictably. While you cut on a flat table, keep a straight edge and sharp blade handy. Clean, accurate cuts save time and avoid wasted material. You now apply adhesive and position the first panels carefully because they set the whole run. Draw a plumb line as your reference, apply adhesive evenly to the panel or wall as recommended, then align the top and let gravity help as you smooth down. Once done, use a seam roller to remove bubbles and match the pattern at each joint. When panels butt tightly, double cut through both layers with a straight edge and remove excess for an invisible seam. Keep a damp sponge to wipe stray paste immediately. You finish by trimming and sealing so the wallpaper looks professional. Trim excess at ceiling and base with a sharp blade and straight edge, then apply a clear edge sealer if the manufacturer recommends it. Once done, inspect for bubbles. Small ones smooth with a roller. Trapped air can be released with a fine needle and pressed flat. If edges lift a seam, spread a little adhesive, then reseat and roll. This step fixes adhesion failures and prevents long-term peeling if you act promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.